So next we are going to see how to change the app icon. So if I minimize this application, so here you can see the app icon is the default Flutter application. Also we have the app name, first app name, right? So let's see how to do that. So for that I'm going to use the package called Flutter launcher icon. So you can go to this link and you can add that, okay? So to add that, what you have to do, so you have to follow the steps. So I just need to copy this and I need to put inside the dev dependency. So go to your bub spec. So under the dev dependency, not inside the dependency, under the dev dependency, you need to paste it, okay? The spacing is very important. So once you have pasted, so you just need to copy this and paste in the root. So after that, so this is very important, okay? So there is no space here. So next we have to give the path for the image. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to copy the icon to this images folder. I can paste as a icon.png. So here you can see inside this images folder we have a icon.png. So the size can be 1024 into 1024, okay? So images folder. So now we need to save this. So next you need to run this command. Just going to copy this and inside the terminal I'm going to run it. So now you can see it successfully generated the icon. So next I'm going to run the application, Flutter run. So you can generate the APK and you can run it, otherwise you can directly run it, okay? So before that I just need to uninstall the application because it will run from the cache, right? So I just need to uninstall it. So now you can see we have updated the app icon.